So this is question 8 for homework 2. So there are 8 questions, and each question have 4 answers. So it should be like A, B, C, D. And if you guys completely at random, the probability we're gonna get it right is 1/4. So that will be 0.25. And for this one, consider the number x of exercise that you might get right. State parameters. So for a binomial distribution, there is an n and there is a p. For here, this n, there are 8 questions, and p is what's the probability you're gonna have the right answers, 0.25. And the 4 conditions, that's on week 3. The slide is random, variable, and discrete, and it's on page 14. And okay, so on that page you will find the formula to calculate the probability of that binomial distribution. Is going to be like this, right? Okay, and for this question, so what is the probability of having 8 questions right, or 6 questions right? So there's gonna let me see. It's gonna be, we're just gonna use this formula to calculate it by hand. So p as equal to 6, that equal to 8 minus 6, and 2, 5, 6, and 0.75, 8 minus 6. That's equal to 0.0038. We will have a class on Wednesday, not this following Wednesday. I think it should be the week after the fall break. We're gonna have a data class. We will do data stuff there. So this is the answer. And so this one is at least 7. So let's say there is gonna be 8 questions, right? So 1, 2, 6, 7. So there are 8 possible outcomes of how many answers you're gonna get it right. And at least 7, that means 7 or 8. So now this one, at least 7, right? This is gonna greater or equal than 7. That will be probability x equal to 7 plus probability x equal to 8. And this one, you calculate it like the 6. This one, you calculate like the 6. You just change the 6 to 8, and then will have the answer. It's 0.000385. And for this one, you want x smaller or equal than 6. So this is 6, and smaller than that, you'll be this way. So you will calculate that's equal to x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1 plus x equal to 2 plus x equal to 3 plus x equal to 4. So this one, that'll be, and you will, what's the probability of fewer than 3? So what is fewer than 3? That will be x smaller than 3, right? There's not fewer or equal, it's smaller than 3. So that will be p x equal to smaller equal than 2, right? It's like here. So that will be, so that means like 0, 1, 2. And so on the same page where you find this one, you will find ex equal to mp and vx equal to mpq, q equal to 1 minus p. So that will be the answer for this question. So ex equal to mp and vx equal to mp 1 minus p. Here, this one is mp. That will be like what we write here. This one, so it'll be like 8.25. This is 5 times 8. That will be 8 times 2.5 times. That will be the answer for number 8.